Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mitsubishi Outlander 2.0h 12kWh GX5hs CVT 4-wheel drive, which is a petrol plug-in hybrid. This vehicle is an automatic and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your xenon headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing the white exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which is a brilliant feature as it allows you to still open up the vehicle if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. You also have privacy glass and roof rails to help further expand your storage even more by adding a roof box or perhaps transporting bikes on a bike rack. You also have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Moving to your rear seats, you can find the claret red Napa leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel, and once again you can see that eye-catching upholstery, adding a pop of colour to the interior of this vehicle. You also have a sliding sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can find that this vehicle has done 58,593 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need, including your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have external media connectivity via Bluetooth audio or USB, and you also have your CD player, which is cleverly hidden behind your infotainment system. As well as this, you also have your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations, along with a rear view camera making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. As a driver, you do in fact have a heated steering wheel. Along with this, both you and your passenger travelling in the front with you also have heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.